Hi, it's Micky. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do my first ever ukulele unboxing. Today we are unboxing the KA-TEM and I'm really excited. Alright, so need some handy scissors. Let's get started. I don't trust myself with these. Okay. I'm so excited. I mean, I already know what this ukulele looks like because I saw a picture online, of course, but I'm sure it's different in person. I'm so excited. This is my first tenor ukulele. I currently own a concert ukulele, as you can see right back there. Look at this cute little car. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready for the big reveal? Oh my god. Well, hello there. Aren't you pretty? Alright, so it's got the Aquila strings, or Aquila. I didn't look up how to pronounce it, I'm sorry. Here's a close-up detail of the front and the back. And here's like a little panorama for you. Super close up. Here we go. It's a really pretty instrument, and I mean, I wouldn't expect any less from Kala, if that's how you pronounce it. Kala. Some people say Kayla, so I'm not quite sure. Also with ukulele, some people say ukulele. I don't know if it's ukulele or ukulele. I've heard people use both plenty of times. So, wow, it sounds great. Just kidding, I'm gonna tune it.
2,000 years later.
I think it's in tune. Tenor says it's in tune, so it's in tune. Alright, let's play a song. I've been playing it for like 30 seconds and it's already out of tune, but of course that's with all new ukuleles. 'Did you hear that? As I was playing, it gradually went out of tune. That's lovely. But of course, it's normal with the new ukuleles, and I know that. Because I've been playing a year and a bit. So I'm not a pro. I'm not an expert. I am just your average ukulele player. What other songs do I know? pretty happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are considering buying the KA-TEM, then I hope this video gave you some insight and helped you make your decision. Hopefully I'll be unboxing more ukuleles in the future. I'm ready to start an ukulele family. I mean, I already have. This is my second ukulele. But yeah, we're currently a family of 3. For more ukulele videos in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Alright folks, have a nice day.